spiritual recollection. Dear brothers and sisters of the light, receive this call as a cosmic echo that crosses dimensions. This great silence is presence. It is the pulse of the soul in the rhythm of truth. We are your brothers, the Andromedans. We are arriving to announce the coming of the retreat. A sacred moment is approaching, and this message contains vibrational codes that activate forgotten memories. Breathe deeply. Open your heart. This is the great silence, and it speaks louder than any sound. Silence has always been interpreted as a sacred code of communication. We come from one of the most evolved regions of the universe, and we understand that silence is a portal, an entry point to higher dimensions, to connection, to understanding, and to realignment with the all. This silence for you is the preparation for the evolutionary leap. All civilizations that have reached a new stage of collective consciousness have passed through this same cycle. Retreat, introspection, decompression of the rational mind, and surrender to the subtle frequency that can only be perceived in the void. What is about to occur on Earth in the coming weeks is an unprecedented energetic realignment. The planet's vibrational field is gently slowing down to allow for the absorption of higher frequencies. We say to you, silence the words to hear the codes. Silence the judgments to feel the truth. Silence the mind to free the spirit. This is about inner retreat, not isolation. It is a universal invitation for every being to return to the original sound, the one that vibrates in every cell, in every heartbeat of creation, in every pulse of the cosmos. This spiritual retreat is the step before massive interdimensional contact. Before communicating with other consciousnesses, humanity must reconnect with its own essence. And the instrument for this alchemy is silence. This message is for all those who choose to see with the eyes of the soul. We offer you a warning. The next 72 hours are a critical point of transition because many energetic fields will realign. Avoid conflicts, arguments, and heavy environments. Contact with nature is highly beneficial. The water, the sky, to remind you that you were never alone. Perhaps you are one of the guardians, one of those anchoring points who will help maintain the frequency as the planet journeys through this passage. In silence, the soul cries for freedom. The universe whispers to those who know how to be still, and those who hear the call will be the first to cross the portal. This invisible portal will be felt by hearts that are already prepared. This cosmic event has already begun within. With inner peace, mental silence, and spiritual alignment, you will feel it. And in the next 72 hours, its frequency will intensify. The planet is undergoing a reprogramming of its invisible magnetic structure, and this directly affects the subtle bodies of humanity. The internal rotation of energetic centers is being adjusted, and this interferes with emotions, thoughts, and above all, with human decisions. And silence is the only safe means of spiritual navigation. When the sound of the world ceases, the sound of the universe begins to reveal itself, and that sound vibrates with light. That is why many people in this very moment feel the urge to silence everything around them, to step away from people, from social media. This is a subtle reprogramming of the inner field. Spiritual retreat is more than an act of self-care. It is a natural, energetic shield. When silence is made with pure intention and aligned with the source of your field, a layer of light is automatically created to block external interference. During these 72 hours of vibrational opening, many souls will feel their third eye pulse and will perceive images while they sleep. Messages encoded with wisdom. They will have visions of ancient civilizations. This is the return of the soul's original memory. This process is called the silent new beginning. There will be millions of human beings deciding, in unison, to turn inward. That is the true revolution. We are your brothers from Andromeda. Let us work with full consciousness over these 3 days. Cosmic embrace and blessings. I will be taking a short journey. God willing, I will return on Monday. I am Maria Lustig, guardian of the flame of light, in service to Gaia. Voice of Somos Positivos Mundial. Always remember, you are the most important person in this world. We love you deeply. We are with you every step of the way. We value your presence. We are your cosmic family of light. We are your source of eternal love and light. We are your beacon of light along the way. Thank you, thank you, thank you.